Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and we're back today to take a look at another more advanced security feature of Steam that allows you to better keep your account safe and locked down. So up here under the Steam name in the upper left hand corner, let's go down to settings again. Pop open this window that has all of your different settings in it. And the one that we're looking for specifically is right here. It's this button here at the top that says Manage Steam Guard Account Security. So what Steam Guard is Steam has for years had a two-factor authentication system where you can do one of two things. When you log in, you first need your password, and I suggest having a nice long password so that it's harder to guess what it is. And then the second thing that they ask you for is a code. And there's two ways to get this code. You can install the Steam app on your phone, which will give you a code that will then let you log into your Steam account when you log in from a new computer, or the one that tends to be a little less fiddly and a little bit more reliable. I like to get my code via my email, so whenever I log in from a new device, or even from my device, and it's just been a really long time since I last put in a code, it will email me the Steam code, I put it in, say, yes, this is my home computer, and then it's done. That's all you gotta do. And Steam Guard is pretty easy. You've got the two levels I talked about, email, and then you get a code on your phone, or you can turn it off. I don't recommend it. I think by default it turns it on for the email verification, and it's just a nice way of keeping people out of your stuff. So if somebody tries to break into your Steam account and they guess your password, well, you don't have to worry because you're hopefully using a different password on your email, and then they can't get into your email to get that code, so they can't break in and mess with your games. And just in case you're super concerned that somebody has broken into your account or you left a computer logged in somewhere, you can click this button here to deauthorize all other devices that you have tied to your Steam account, and then that'll make it so that if anybody else, even you, tries to log in from, say, your laptop, you'll have to enter a new code from your email in order to reauthorize that computer to log into your Steam account. So this is really the primary thing that keeps your Steam account super duper safe, is this right here. So use it, love it, live by it, two-factor authentication, it's great. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.